Namaste. Welcome to day 11 of Ritania series of storytelling. Instead of doing story today, I have a surprise for you. I hope you have watched all the videos of stories from day 1 to day 10. If you have watched the videos, then you can attempt the quiz that we are going to do now. If you have not watched the videos, it's fine. You can watch those videos, come back and then do the quiz, right? So, in order to do the quiz, what we will need today, we will need a pen and blank sheet like this. So, we will need a pen and a blank sheet. But remember, you can watch this video completely only when you have seen stories from day 1 to day 10. What we will do, this is a quiz, it's exciting quiz today. We will come up with a really wonderful thing at the end of this quiz. For that, we are going to make few blanks on a few dashes on our sheet. So first I'm writing number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here 10, 11, 12, 13. Remember to write 1 to 9 like this, and then number 10 onwards you have to write it like this, okay? And now we are going to mark the dashes above the number. So if you have more space, don't write 10 here. Write 10 below 9. Okay. So this, we have to fill these dashes using the hint that I am going to tell you. Are you ready? Let's begin. I hope you are ready with the quiz sheet. आप सभी ने ये quiz sheet तैयार कर लिया होगा. You must have written number 1 to 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 10 will go down. 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, so if you are ready, let's start the quiz. All the best. I know you will do well. So, our first hint is, look at this picture carefully. Do you remember the story? What is the name of the boy in the story? If you remember the name of the boy in this story, take the first letter of that name and write it here. ये चित्र ध्यान से देखो. इस चित्र में ये जो लड़का है, इसका नाम क्या है? अब इसके नाम का पहला इंग्लिश लेटर लें और उसको यहां पे लिखें. Let's move to hint 2. Chick chick chum, chick chick chum, chick chick chum, chick chick chum. Do you remember this story? Very first story of our online storytelling series. Yes. Do you remember Mala from this story? Mala's mother gave her something. What's that? Okay. Now take the name of that thing and write the first letter here. आपको ये कहानी याद है? चिक चिक चुम, चिक चिक चुम. माला आई, माला आई. चिक चिक चुम, चिक चिक चुम. माला आई. इस कहानी में माला की मम्मी ने माला को क्या दिया था? उसको अंग्रेजी में क्या कहते हैं वो ध्यान करो. और उसका फर्स्ट लेटर यहां पे लिखो. So now we are at hint 3. I'm being graceful here. You don't have to think about third hint. You can write N. So the third letter of this word is N. So now in this hint number 4, yes. Look at this picture carefully. Remember this story? Remember this story of a girl with long and curly hair? Look at this picture. Her grandfather is saying that your hair can give shade to many. What do you think grandfather is referring to here? Take the first letter of that word and write it here. आपको ये कहानी याद है? इस कहानी में मीनू के बहुत लंबे और घुंघराले बाल थे. इस चित्र को ध्यान से देखो. इस चित्र में मीनू के दादाजी मीनू को कह रहे हैं कि तुम्हारे बाल बहुत लोगों को छाया दे सकते हैं. तो दादाजी यहाँ किस चीज के बारे में कह रहे हैं? उसका इंग्लिश वर्ड का फर्स्ट लेटर लेकर यहां पर लिखो. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स लिसन टू फिफ्थ हिंट. रेडी? आर यू रेडी फॉर द फिफ्थ हिंट? श्योर? ओके, सो द लेटर फॉर द फिफ्थ हिंट इज A. Let's move on to our next hint. Look at this picture carefully. You remember this story? Yes. So, what is the title of this story? Take the first word from the title of the story and write it here. आपको ध्यान है ये कहानी? इस कहानी का नाम क्या है? इस कहानी के नाम का पहला लेटर लो और यहां पर लिख दो. Whoa, we have reached from number 1 to number 6. Few more to go. Look at this picture carefully. I hope you remember this story. Leela is searching for something. What do you think she's looking for? Take the first letter of that thing and write it here. Number 7. इस कहानी में लीला कुछ ढूंढ रही है. ध्यान से इस चित्र को देखो. लीला क्या ढूंढ रही है इस कहानी में? हाँ, उसे अंग्रेजी में क्या कहते हैं? उसका पहला लेटर लो और नंबर 7 के ऊपर लिख दो. So we are on the 8th hint now. Listen to the hint carefully. हाथी आया देखो हाथी आया, हाथी आया, हाथी आया देखो हाथी आया, हाथी आया. You remember this story on elephant? What is the name of the elephant in the story? Take the last letter of the name of the elephant and write it here above number 8. आपको ये कहानी ध्यान है हाथी पर? इस कहानी में हाथी का नाम क्या था? उसके अंग्रेजी नाम का लास्ट लेटर क्या है? उस लेटर को नंबर 8 के ऊपर लिखो. So now we are on the last letter of this word. Do you remember this story in which we did this song? It's my house and my rules. I'm so cute and so cool. You remember this story? Yeah, so who was saying I'm so cool, I'm so cute in the story? What's the name of the animal? Take the first letter and write it above number 9. आपको ये कहानी ध्यान है जिसमें हमने ये गाना किया था? It's my house and my rules. I'm so cute and so cool. याद है ये कहानी? इसमें किसने कहा था कि मैं बहुत क्यूट हूं, मैं बहुत कूल हूं? किस जानवर ने कहा था? उसके नाम का, इंग्लिश नाम का फर्स्ट लेटर लो और उसे नंबर 9 के ऊपर लिख दो. Woohoo! Hopefully you have got the first word of our quiz. Now take a deep breath. We are almost there. We have already figured out the first word. Now let's move on to the next one. You remember this story from where egg rolled down from the stairs and jumped onto the bread and then went out? You remember this story? From where did that thing, the egg, went out? What's the name of that thing? Take the first letter of that thing and write it here above number 10. आपको ये कहानी याद है जिसमें अंडा लुढ़कता हुआ सीढ़ियों से नीचे आया था, फिर डबल रोटी के ऊपर गया था और फिर घर से बाहर चला गया था? वो घर से बाहर किस चीज से निकला था? उस चीज का अंग्रेजी नाम का पहला लेटर 10 नंबर के ऊपर लिखें. In this story, hint number 11, just listen carefully. In this story, there was a bird, and this bird asked many questions to her mother. How many number of stars are there? How many number of waves are there? And mother said, go, figure it out. What's the name of the bird? Now you must have figured out. Write the first letter of that bird above number 11. आपको ये कहानी याद है जिसमें एक कोई पक्षी था, उसने अपनी मम्मी से बहुत सवाल पूछे थे. आसमान में कितने तारे हैं, समुद्र कितना गहरा है, सागर में कितनी लहरें हैं? ये सवाल कौन पूछ रहा था? उसे अंग्रेजी में क्या कहते हैं? उसके अंग्रेजी नाम का पहला लेटर लें और नंबर 11 के ऊपर लिखते हैं. Remember the story we did yesterday? Where Bundi traveled from river to cloud and then it came down. In what form did it come down? Did it come down in form of a fog, hailstorm? How did it come down? Yes, take the first letter of that word and write above number 12. हमने कल कहानी पढ़ी थी जिसमें बूंदी नदी में से होती हुई बादलों में गई और बादलों में से फिर नीचे आई. तो वो किस तरह बादलों में से नीचे आई थी? क्या वो ओस बन के नीचे आई थी या ओले बन के नीचे आई थी? कैसे नीचे आई थी? उसका इंग्लिश वर्ड का फर्स्ट लेटर 12 नंबर के ऊपर लिखो. Excitement building up. We are almost there. Last letter to identify. Now look at this picture carefully. Do you remember the title of the story? Take the first letter and write it down here. आपको ये कहानी याद है? इस चित्र को देखो. इस कहानी का पहला लेटर क्या है? उसको नंबर 13 के ऊपर लिखो। Woohoo! We are done with our quiz. I hope you enjoyed it. मजा आया क्विज करने में? Clap your hands, pat your back. Clap your hands, pat your back. We didn't do a song today, so let's do song at the end of the quiz. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, comment, like, subscribe. Don't forget to do that. Thank you so much for watching the videos, and I hope you enjoyed the quiz today. We will be back tomorrow with another story and another fun activity. Thank you so much.